The story of Fidgety Philip, Mr. Nobody. I know a funny little man, as quiet as a mouse, who does the mischief that is done in everybody's house. There's no one ever sees his face, and yet we all agree that every plate we break was cracked by Mr. Nobody. So, in this stanza, the funny little man mentioned in the poem is a little boy, perhaps 3 to 5 years old. This is because a child within that age usually does not talk much rather than making things that require them to learn. However, they often create trouble to people around them. Like in this stanza, they are cracked plates, but people tend not to scold them because they are in the learning process, though people know they do it. Thus, he always tears out books. Who leaves the door ajar? He pulls the buttons from our shirts and scatters pins afar. That squeaking door will always squeak, for pretty don't you see? We leave the oiling to be done by Mr. Nobody. So in the second stanza, the same thing happened mentioned in this stanza. The child creates another trouble in the house. Some of the troubles are the books have been torn, the buttons have been pulled out from the shirts, and the pins are scattered. However, seeing that the little boy needs to learn, they leave the squeaking or noisy door to be oiled by the boy for him to learn. He puts damp wood upon the fire that kettles cannot boil. His are the feet that bring in mud and all the carpet soil. The papers always are misled, who had them last but he. There's no one tosses them about but Mr. Nobody. So in this stanza, within this age also, the child may be doing something that may annoy some other people. The examples are given in this stanza, such as Mr. Nobody puts damp woods upon the fire, which causes the kettle not to be boiled, bringing the mud into the house, and make the carpet soiled, and papers misled. People know that no one could do such things except for Mr. Nobody. The fingers marks upon the door by none of us are made. We never leave the blinds unclosed to let the curtains fade. The ink we never spill, the boots that lying round you see are not our boots, they all belong to Mr. Nobody. So, however, though people like Mr. Nobody is quite troubling, they need to be directed and need to be taught the meaning of life. Not to forget, they become like that because they are in the process of learning. Therefore, we as adults or people that are older and already matured must show a good talent for them to follow the right role model. For example, in this stanza, Mr. Nobody does not know the importance of privacy, as how he lets the door and the curtains open, leaving the boots not in the right place and spilling inks. So, the summary of this poem is, it is all about a mysterious little person who creates a lot of mischief in the house and gets away with it. This person is named as Mr. Nobody to give a shroud of mystery to the persona or character. He is not noticed as he moves around very quietly. Mr. Nobody makes a mess of things in the house. He uses things but never puts them back in order. He dirties the house, leaves his prints everywhere, soils the carpet and the curtains when the things are misplaced in the house. Everyone points the finger to Mr. Nobody, yet he never gets caught as no one has ever seen him or reports of his deeds. So this is a poem by Anonymous, and that's all what's there in it. I hope you have understood. Thank you.